Presenting Canon EOS 6D Mark II Digital SLR Camera. This powerful yet full-frame compact DSLR propels your images to the next level. The Movie Servo AF allows you to shoot movies and videos in full HD. The camera comes with a 26.2 megapixel image sensor and dual pixel CMOS AF to gather maximum light and enable stunning images. The camera comes with a touchscreen vari-angle LCD monitor with an 80% focus area both horizontally and vertically. The camera comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity options along with a GPS login function to enable you to geotag images for record keeping. It also comes with an inbuilt 5-axis image stabilization system. The product box comes with a camera body, battery pack, battery charger, lens cap, an eye cup and EF 24 to 105mm lens.